Welcome to this Ready to Craft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create May Day baskets using Readi-Board. To begin, I've printed off my template. We've provided two different size baskets for you. I'm going to trim away some of the extra white edge left behind by my printer. I've decided to trim away the edge on only one page. This will allow me a little bit of extra area to overlap pattern pieces. I'll use a little bit of glue stick to attach the two halves together. Once they are together, I will apply repositionable spray adhesive to the back of my template piece. Then simply press onto your foam board. I'll cut away this extra top area and set it aside for future projects. Then I will carefully cut out my template. You may need to check from the back to make sure that your cuts went all the way through. Now that I've removed all of the background, I'm going to score the interior lines. When I'm scoring, I just want to cut through the top piece of paper and some of the foam. Don't cut all the way through. Then I'll bend the two pieces until it gives me a clean break. Notice that the bottom piece of paper is still attached. You can see this allows me to bend the foam board into my basket shape. Like before, I've cut the smaller template piece out of the background. Also like before, we're going to score all the interior lines. For this piece, we're going to remove additional foam from the bend area. I'm going to position my ruler about 1/4 inch away from the line. Then, holding my blade at an angle, with the tip pointed at the existing cut, I'll remove a small bit of foam. I'll do the same from the other side. You can see we've cut away a V shape in the foam. This will allow us to bend our flaps inward. Do the same to all of the interior lines. You'll need to cut these edges at an angle as well. Don't forget the bottom piece. Using a hot glue gun for this project because of how quickly the glue sets up. When applying hot glue to the exposed foam, be careful. Depending on the temperature of your glue gun, it may melt the foam. we get to decorate. For this basket, I'm using some wrapping paper. You can print an additional template piece to use as a guide to cut your paper out. Just make sure you leave a little extra on the edges to fold over and inside. I'm also going to attach this cute little ribbon as a border. I'm going to use ribbon to hang my baskets. To attach the ribbon to my basket, I'm first going to create little X's by pushing my hobby knife through the foam. Then I'll find something to use as a tool to push the ribbon through. I happen to be using the end of a paintbrush. Tie a knot on the end of your ribbons to make sure that your handles don't pull through. For this basket, I'm decorating it in a decoupage style, using upcycled book pieces. Allow the Mod Podge to dry completely before moving on. You can see I've trimmed my edges and added the same ribbon as I did before. Using the same method, I'm going to attach handles to this basket as well. I'm also going to use ribbon to create a little bow. And use these cute rosettes as additional decoration. Now that the baskets are decorated, we can fill them with flowers. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a Ready to Craft of, let us know in the comments.